Well, good evening. Noz Wonky here. Well, as you can see, the guys with the chainsaws have arrived. They've arrived. What do you think about the tree situation?
Very good. Very excited. How about you?
Oh yeah,
Very excited.
it's very exciting.
Looks very professional, aren't they?
Yeah, they look professional. They're not barbarians.
Yeah, no, that monkey.
One of them's up the tree. He cuts the pieces off and the others catch them, you know.
Yeah. It's very good. Not 15 people. 4 people is a good number, I think.
Yeah, that other company, they wanted to bring 15 people.
15 people? What?
These guys, there's just 4 guys.
Yeah. Good idea.
It's enough.
No.
And we're having breakfast at home because we can't go out. We've got to be here for the tree men.
You want to drop, but dangling.
Yep.
So not drop directly.
Well, as you can see, there's not much left of the tree. Yuko's out there, she's very happy. And I actually made a time-lapse movie of the tree removal on my GoPro camera here. It's actually still running. You know why I like this? You can see more of the sky. That was all blocked before. Of course, Yuko's working. Let's go and say hello to Yuko working. Hello. What are you doing there? Say hello.
Hello.
What do you think about the tree job?
Very good. Excellent. They are, quite seriously and continue.
Yep.
Very good.
And my time-lapse video looks quite good.
All right.
I'm making it now.
Good.
Put that on my other channel. Well, there you have it. Chips.